If you've been following my channel, you know that's not true. Some YouTubers have already claimed that you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars simply viewing videos. Are there any legitimate websites or applications that actually pay real money for watching films? As some of you have still asked me in the comments. And yes is the response. Some websites and applications will pay you to watch videos. I'll show you some of them in the video I made today. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. We all know there's a lot to discuss in this area, but I want to emphasize that this won't make you a lot of money, and you probably won't make more than $1 a day by viewing movies. I want to emphasize that watching videos doesn't make a lot of money because some YouTubers claim that doing so would earn you hundreds of dollars. While it is possible to make some money by viewing videos, anyone who claims that you can do so while earning several dollars an hour is trying to deceive you. I list all the applications that pay you money but don't let you make a lot of it in this video. The best option right now is 5, and that's what I'd pick. Tell me in the comments that you plan to do to increase your internet income. After seeing this video, kindly leave a comment to let me know what you think. Earnably.com is now the first website where you may earn money by viewing videos. I've created a few movies regarding Earnably in which I inquire as to whether or not it is possible to earn $7 or $10 per hour by viewing films on the website, and the response is no. On this website, you can make some money, but if all you do is watch movies, you'll typically just make a few cents, if any at all. Earnably is a real website since I have cashed out money from it, and so have possibly hundreds, thousands, or perhaps tens of thousands of other individuals. Moving on, the second website is called Swagbucks.com, and it is very popular. Considering that Swagbucks has been around for more than 10 years, it is a sizable website. More than $730 million have been distributed to their subscribers. I'll also cash out some Swagbucks points. I have a video with this platform and some Swagbucks payment guidelines for you to view. It won't be much, but it will be a few dollars. Additionally, you can earn money on Swagbucks by engaging in routine activities like online shopping, doing surveys, playing games, and so on. The majority of websites that allows you to earn money by viewing movies also provide easy jobs like surveys, games, app downloads, or creating TikTok videos or other simple chores, but they don't pay much. Of course, you can register for any of these sites if you want to earn additional money. You can visit another location if one of them runs out of things to do. For instance, if you are in a Western nation, I can assure you that you will make considerably more money offline than online with these platforms. However, these low-paying websites might be preferable to doing things like sitting on a couch while watching TV, reading a pointless Reddit topic, or watching a pointless YouTube video. Having said that, there are various online income-generating activities you can engage in. Please add a comment saying, "I'm from this nation" underneath. By doing this, I will be able to pinpoint your specific location so that I can ensure that every video I release from now on is targeted toward you. So, mention the name of your nation in the comment section below. Okay, the third website is called Inbox Dollars. Since according to certain YouTubers, you can earn up to $20 per hour, there are then advertised the website. Now, living in the US prevents you from earning $20 per hour. If you reside in the UK, they will award you a $5 sign-up bonus. You may also receive a sign-up bonus if you reside in some other nations, although not always. Some of you frequently ask me if older websites like Earnably and Swagbucks are still functional worldwide. How do I get paid? As I previously stated, these are effective in both India and the Philippines, and my top recommendations, which I've left in the description, is effective everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're in Finland, the UK, the US, India, the Philippines, or Nigeria. Everywhere it works. Please hit the like button on any of this website I've shown you if you find them to be useful. Presently, Timebox is a pretty old website, much like Earnably or Swagbucks. You don't need to be concerned that you won't get paid if you finish work, because all of these websites have paid substantial sums of money to their users. These websites actually pay real money and are real. Okay, let's discuss the fourth one, called Timebox. Timebox has been around for a while, as you can see from my videos on it on my YouTube account. I advised against visiting this website in my first video regarding Timebox reviews. Just stay put. Then I realized that I had already said that in my most recent video. If you want to make more money, go to Timebox, which was about much better ways to generate money online. I recently discovered that for some people, $5 per day, for instance, may be sufficient. Once more, I'm not guaranteeing that using Timebox will make you $5 per day. Timebox is still not my first pick, but it is a website that pays real money, and it is double but requires a lot of work. I would recommend going to Timebox rather than telling people not to go there. However, I'll provide a link in the description because there are superior alternatives to Timebox. Timebox also appears to be popular. For instance, this website has more than 1,000 evaluations on Trustpilot with an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5. That's a lot, and considering that all of these are similar to Swagbucks, Earnably, and Inbox Dollars, the overall grade is favorable. It's not as horrible as Instance. Irazoo, another website that advertises the possibility of earning money by watching films. Irazoo receives an average rating of 3.3 out of 5 on Trustpilot, or something similar. On the other side, Timebox has a rating of 4 out of 5, making it a reasonable option. I wanted to pause right here for a second, take a deep breath, and feel the money coming your way because things will get better sooner. We need your help to make these dreams come true, so please hit the red like and subscribe button before I share the last tips and tricks. Oh, you've already finished that. Thank you. Let's go on to the final stage of earning money online. Thus, we have reached number 5, which is a little bit different. This is merely my recommendation. It is not a particular website. In reality, if you just watch videos on the internet and want to make money doing that, you might get up to $1 per day. However, if you watch educational videos that teach you skills on how to make money online with affiliate marketing or how to make money online with drop shipping, making YouTube videos or any other skill you want to learn, you might get up to $2 per day. It's possible to earn $50, $100, $200, $300, or even more in a single day. Thus, investing in your skills will pay off the most. That's obviously not the simplest thing to accomplish. Most individuals simply want to be able to watch films and earn money similar to this. The majority of people will do that. But if you're different, you'll prefer to invest in yourself and take your time to watch educational content and pick up the necessary abilities. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.